What we've got here today is a 2008 Porsche Cayenne S with the V8, and what I was going after today was a repair for coolant collecting in the valley down there. And what I felt was the source of the leak was this vent pipe. It's got O-rings and it's got single bolts that are offset holding it. And, you know, it's a complex setup with multiple pipes, and these are known failure points too. But I wanted to change one thing at a time since the intake manifold's not that hard to get off. So, after removal, which is intake manifold off, your high pressure fuel rail needs to come off. It helps a lot to remove this screw holding the wiring harness here so you can get to the bolt for this bracket for the fuel rail. The other one's on the other side. Get that off of there. There wasn't a lot of fuel pressure in the rail. I was kind of surprised at how little pressure there was. Disconnect all 8 fittings here. Disconnect your clip on this pressure sensor. Remove that. There is a hose clamp on a rubber hose that connects to the other side over here. Pop it out, get the new one, you know, sitting right over it, ready to go. And I did not remove the coolant reservoir cap so that it would not drain, you know, a whole bunch. What I found after removing the old one, I mean, you can see the O-ring does not protrude at all. And both sides had coolant and staining above that O-ring. So pretty confident that this is the source of the leak. So yeah, not that difficult to replace that. I got this one through Euro parts, and it fit very well, just like factory. So thanks for watching, and post a question or a comment if you'd like. Thanks.